dig in. Was by Cindy Jenson-Elliott. Dot by Rori Peterson. I dig in the dirt and find a worm. Worm wiggles. I dig in the dark and find a rock. Rock sits. I dig in the dirt and find a pill bug. Pill bug curls. I dig in the dirt and find a seed. Seed writes. I dig in the dirt and find a spider. Spider runs. I dig in the dirt and find a sprout. Sprout grows. I dig in the dirt and find dots. Dirt squishes. Then I water the dots and find mud. The end. Did you like this story? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.